On your spring trip, what do you like to do, children?
Catching butterflies! Having a picnic! Pitching a tent!
So much you want to play with. We are almost there now. Remember to be careful when you are playing. The spring trip has begun.
Yes!
Pitching a tent. Triangular tent. Set up the frame first. 1, 2, 3. Once the frame is set up, use tape to secure it. Choose a tent that you like. Round top tent. Pull the hook to hoist the tent up. Hammer 4 nails to secure the tent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose a tent that you like. Inflatable tent. First, we must inflate the tent. Choose a tent that you like. Pull 2 ropes so the tent won't be blown away. Up, and we can go into it now.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you! Thank you!
Starting a fire. Chop some wood to start a fire. Slide, slide, chop some wood. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Be careful of the beehive. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Be careful of the beehive. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Be careful of the beehive. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Be careful of the beehive. Be careful of the beehive. Chop, chop, chop! Wow! Firewood! Drill, drill. Look! The piece of wood is starting to... Kiki, come quick, blow some air! The fire has started! looking for the treasure chest. Children, 2 treasure chest keys have been lost in the woods. Can everyone help me look for them?
Yay! Time to look for the key!
That is Mommy Duck. Let's go and ask her. What should I do? What should I do? My children are missing.
Mommy Duck, don't worry. We will help you.
A storm is coming. Quick, help me look for the baby ducks.
Little ducks are so naughty.
I am so grateful to you.
Little ducks are so naughty.
Thank you.
Little ducks are so naughty.
I am so grateful to you.
Little ducks are so naughty.
Thank you. Are you looking for something?
We're looking for the keys to the treasure chest.
I have one here. Take it.
Mr. Mole, what are you doing?
There's treasure under the ground. I'm digging for it.
Let's dig together with him. Yay!
There's great treasure under the ground. Help me dig quick. Click on the earth to dig a hole to look for treasure. That's too far, so you can't dig there. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. That's too far, so you can't dig there. That's too far, so you can't dig there. That's too far, so you can't dig there. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. That's too far, so you can't dig there. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. You are almost at the treasure. Keep going, keep going. The stone is too hard to dig. It's a big shiny diamond. Thank you. Are you looking for the keys to the treasure chest? Yes. I've found the keys to the treasure chest. You can have it. the treasure chest! Let's go and open it!
Yay!
Which key should we use? Yes, this is the one. Yes, this is the one. Having a picnic. Picnic time! Let's pick a pretty picnic blanket. Everyone is here for the picnic. So happy!
I want this one! I don't want to eat this. I want this one!
Let's cut the cake. Who wants some?
I want this one!
Watermelon, watermelon! Cut, cut, who wants some?
I want this one!
Who wants some?
I want this one!
Delicious donuts!
I want this one!
Who wants some cake?
I want this one!
What kind of spread should be put on the crackers? When the picnic is over, we must clean up to keep our environment clean. Barbecuing. What should we barbecue?
Could you grill a veggie skewer for me? I want to add this seasoning. 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 It's ready! Quick, give it to me!
What should we barbecue?
I want fish! I want to eat shrimp. I want to add this seasoning. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning. Add some seasoning for me, please. Add some seasoning for me, please.
What should we barbecue?
I want to eat shrimp. I want meat. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning.
What should we barbecue?
I love to eat meat. I want fish. I want chicken wings. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning. I like this flavor. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning.
barbecue.
I want to have a veggie skewer. Could you grill some chicken wings for me? Please grill some meat for me. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning. I like this flavor.
Detective Diary. Sheriff Labrador. There's no case we can't solve. Woof. I am Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, a bad guy is causing trouble on...
Stay calm. Please tell me your...
I am on Doo-Doo Street.
I'll be right there. Sheriff Labrador ready to go.
Sheriff Labrador, you are finally here. A bad guy is drawing graffiti on the wall and ran off on the bike when I came.
Count on me.
Well...
Huh? These are the tracks of bicycle tires. We will find the bad guy who ran away by... The tire tracks have disappeared. Huh? This is the bad guy's bicycle. There are a lot of footprints by the bicycle. Hi, Auntie Rabbit.
Huh?
Do you know who passed by just now?
Let me think. The passerby just now is a rabbit, a wolf, a chicken, a bear, a sheep.
Who left these footprints? Wait, it's the footprints of a
I remember. It is a chicken covered in paint.
Do you know where the chicken has been?
The bad guy walked into a house. There's a purple toy car sign hanging on the house. The house is blue. A green tree is at the front door of the house.
Great! We've got very important clues. Thank you so much, Auntie Rabbit.
Oh, you're welcome.
Which house is the bad guy hiding in? Just here. Let's get in immediately. It's so crowded here. Where is the chicken covered in paint? I found it! Awesome! You are as awesome as Officer Doberman! It's wrong to draw graffiti in public.
I
I am wrong. I won't draw graffiti everywhere in public again.
Labrador mission complete. The handsome sheriff dog started lecturing on safety. The little chicken is drawing graffiti on the wall. Is the behavior right? That's not the right thing to do. We should take good care of public facilities. The graffiti on public facilities is not allowed. Woof, woof. This is the interrogation room. Bad guys will be kept here. Woof. Welcome. Woof, woof. This is the interrogation room. I am Officer Husky. The police station has just received a report. Someone has drawn graffiti on the walls of the park. The sheriff has caught some suspects. Who is the real bad guy?
Officer Husky, I saw the bad guy. The bad guy ran so fast that I didn't see his face clearly.
Please think it over. What are the features of the bad guy?
The bad guy is wearing a red outfit.
Please identify the real bad guy based on Miss Rabbit's description.
Yes, yes! Yes, yes! You got it! The bad guy is wearing a blue hat. Yes, yes! The bad guy is short. Yes, yes! Yes, yes! The bad guy left footprints like these when ran away.
Great. We found the real bad guy. Miss Rabbit, thanks for the clues. The bad guy has escaped by the time the sheriff is here. We need to draw a portrait of the bad guy based on the clues we have.
Officer Husky, I happened to witness the bad guy running away.
Do you remember what the bad guy looks like?
The bad guy has sharp teeth. It is a wolf.
That's great. We already know what the bad guy looks like. Do you have any other clues?
I remember the bad guy is wearing a blue hat. Yes, yes! And he is holding an ice cream in hand. Yes, yes!
Are there any other features?
Let me think. Wait! The bad guy is also wearing a pair of black glasses. Yes, yes!
The portrait is ready. That's awesome. Thank you for the clues. We will catch the bad guy by all means.
Yes, yes!